Congratulations to the newly sworn-in state officers and to address
Mogaruku maisha ikuhe maria President William Ruto eriga gwika ndudu-ini yake ya maminista nimo maraigiririe Joyfrey Ruku na Hannah Wedot Cheptumo ndudu-ini ya maminista ayeri magithurimwo ni bunge ya bururi mwambiririo-ini wa kiumia giki na kuhitukio
carries as many of us as possible.
Makihitithio thingira-ini wa iregi guku Nairobi, President Ruto ni atariirie mwihoko wake na ayeri hari gukinyaniria wira wao makiga keheri-ini mabataro mao na gubacirira motungata kuri muingi.
To join government at a time when public expectations are exceptionally high. Every day we face numerous diverse and forceful allegations, accusations and demands. We must take them seriously, always remembering that as the executive, we are the trustees of the people. And ultimately,
Joyfrey Ruku amurirwo ta minister wa uruti wira wa muingi thutha wa Justin Muturi kufutwo wira riu aikaria county ya Embu magikungwira kwa murwo gwake.
And public resources. The people are highly conscious that only by efficiently providing services to every citizen in every part of Kenya and managing each sector to enable workers and entrepreneurs to seize opportunities will we recover lost ground and achieve the prosperity we all aspire to.
Nona thegia ya yeri kwa murwo ndudu-ini ya maminista ni gukoretwo na mateta kuma kuri muingi megie kwa murwo kwa Hannah Wedot Cheptumo wigiririki wake ugikirirwo cuke thutha wake kuga gicunji kinene kia njuragano cia airitu na atumia ciumanite na gukorwo mehokete besha cia rume.
Amepewa nafasi hii ya miaka miwili ya mwisho ya serikali ili kuredeem hiyo image. Amepewa hiyo nafasi ili kuweza kuonyesha kwamba serikali inaweza kufanya jambo. Kwa hivyo tunataka kuuliza Mheshimiwa Ruku, wakati huu ambapo hii nafasi imepatikana, yeye afanye kazi. Mwanzo alete heshima kwa community ya Embu na county ya Embu na region hii yetu ya Gema na Mount Kenya at large.
Tuna maono mengi muno nake na nitura expect maondo mengi muno kumana nake. Tondo wa mbere nitura expect asaririe ando a youth, ando a Embu a youth na ando onthe a Embu era kuria kwi national government.
Ida-ini riu andiki akaru 14 nimetithirio ari ni hamwe na uria wale munini wa governor county-ini ya Nyeri Caroline Karugu. Riri ni rita ria gatatu mogaruruku gutafanio ndudu-ini ya maminista thirikari-ini ya Kenya Kwanza ona gutuika uhoti na wigiririki wa ndudu ino no uthiete na mbere gwikirirwo nganja ni muingi wa bururi.
Vision and mission must therefore transcend regional, gender, religious and cultural distinctions and serve all in accordance with the solemn oath you have taken, without fear, favor, malice or ill will. Every citizen must feel represented, heard and served.
Thutha wa kuhitithio minister mweru wa utungata wa muingi aitikire mwe kwemwe nginyagia ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Central guku Nairobi guthurima uria motungata maraheanwo.
Join government at a time when
Thutha wa kwaraniria na muingi na maabitha a borithi kunionanirie kuiganira gwake na gikiro kia motungata maria maraheanwo kuri muingi no eranira kugacirithia motungata makiria kugerera honge ciothe cia thirikari akihuthira mitambo ya kiriu ya ukinyaniria. Handu-ini Hakameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.